Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Contemplation, Tafakkur, is key for the Muslim. It connects us to the first ayat revealed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the cave of Hira in deep contemplation. Imam Ghazali insists in al-hikmah fil makhluqat Allah, which is the wisdom behind Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation, that contemplation is the key to every good deed because it qualifies all cognitive actions of the believer with remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the recognition of his favors and graces. He goes on to say, the way to a cognizance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to glorify him in his creation, to contemplate Tafakkur, his wonderful works, to understand the wisdom in his various inventions. It is the means to strengthen certainty and happiness, and in this course is seen the difference in the levels of the pious, the ulama. The Almighty created the minds and perfected them with revelation, ordering men and such minds to think. This connects us to Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read. Tafakkur, to think of his creatures, to contemplate and to learn lessons from what wonders he has entrusted on his creation. But sadly, the Ummah of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is in a state of ghafla, heedlessness. Our eyes are focused down and we are not looking up. We are disconnected from the ayat, from the al-Quranu takwini. When people contemplate, it becomes a sacred and a wholesome part of their nature. When people contemplate, their hearts become submissive and they respond to every agitation in the environment with gentle emotions which control the intellectual activity. Contemplation is a deep act of ibadah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala throughout the Quran commands us to reflect, to ponder, to study on the ayat of creation, to use our senses, and from there the journey begins even further to the journey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's names and his attributes. Then we can understand when we say La ilaha illallah, and then we go right back to the foundations, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. I witness because I've seen the signs of the Creator around me. Assalamu alaikum.